Congratulations on completing the course. Now that you have a solid grasp on designing, implementing, testing, and deploying AI applications, you will discover numerous opportunities to further your learning and apply your newly acquired skills. Before moving ahead, let's recap the key concepts you learned throughout this course. Artificial intelligence, or AI, enables machines to mimic human intelligence and perform tasks such as understanding natural language, recognizing patterns in data, and making data-based decisions. Java offers several advantages for building intelligent AI applications, such as platform independence, robust memory management, extensive libraries and frameworks, enterprise-grade stability, and strong typing that helps catch errors. AI enables building systems that learn from data, user ratings, and past performances, compare user preferences to identify others with similar tastes, and turn them into meaningful, personalized suggestions, allowing people to make smart decisions. You also learned that natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of AI that teaches machines to read and process text like humans. Java is used for NLP due to its stability, strong memory management capabilities, powerful NLP libraries, and seamless integration with big data technologies. Similarly, image recognition teaches computers to identify and understand objects, people, places, and actions in digital images. Adding AI features to Java applications can be done using Spring AI, which does not require AI expertise. It connects the Java applications to various AI services, such as OpenAI and Anthropic, enabling you to integrate the AI features into the applications. The easiest way to set up a Spring AI project is by using Spring Initializer. Begin by setting up a new Spring Boot project, configure OpenAI API key, create a simple AI-powered message, gain an understanding of the key components, use prompt templates, and run the application. The AI service layer separates the AI functionality from business logic to better organize the code. It handles AI-related tasks by connecting to AI services or libraries, processing inputs for AI models, and handling AI model responses. AI APIs are cloud-based services that provide AI capabilities, such as text classification, without needing to build models. AI APIs allow you to send data and receive intelligent results through simple HTTP requests. Debugging techniques for Spring AI applications involve logging prompts and responses, testing with simple, known prompts, and implementing error handling to catch and log AI service failures. Advanced testing techniques include content validation and response length checks to ensure the quality and reliability of AI outputs. You have now reviewed some of the fundamental concepts covered in this course. Remember to go through the glossary at the end of the course to review the key terms discussed and their definitions. You can also share the apps you created in the labs and the final project on GitHub. These projects can serve as examples to showcase your skills to potential employers. We encourage you to enroll in our iOS and Android mobile app developer professional certificate, of which this course is a part, if you have not already. Depending on your schedule and the number of courses you take, you can complete this professional certificate in about 2 to 6 months. If you wish to continue your mobile app development journey, you may want to consider the following courses: Java Developer, Generative AI Fundamentals, Generative AI Engineering. If interested, the links to these programs are in the Congratulations and Next Steps reading at the end of this course. This course included hands-on labs and a final project. By completing the labs, you gained practical exposure to the following topics: consolidation of data infrastructure, preparing a data model for a transaction processing system, creating an EDA blueprint, choosing the right technologies based on requirements, selecting the storage types, drafting a retention policy, redesigning a schema, and migrating an RDBMS schema to a NoSQL database. We recommend that you continue implementing the concepts learned in this course in your mobile app development journey. We hope these principles will hone your skills and help you advance in your career. Congratulations on completing this course. We appreciate your participation in this learning journey and wish you the very best.